Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender on a Windows computer. So if you've just installed Blender and aren't sure where to begin, this guide will walk you through the interface, the essential tools, and the basic workflow to get you started. First, open Blender from your desktop shortcut or from the Windows Start menu. When Blender launches, you'll see the splash screen along with the default workspace. You can start a new general project or open one you've already created. The main area in the center is called the 3D viewport, where you'll create and edit models. On the right, the outliner displays every object in your scene, while the properties editor lets you adjust materials, modifiers, lighting, rendering settings, and much more. Now let's learn the basic navigation controls. Hold the middle mouse button to rotate around the scene, use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out, and hold Shift while pressing the middle mouse button to pan across the workspace. These controls are essential for working efficiently in Blender. To add a new object, press Shift plus A or open the Add menu. Choose a mesh such as a cube, sphere, or cylinder. To edit an object, select it and press the Tab key to enter Edit mode, where you can modify its vertices, edges, and faces. To make your model look better, open the Material Properties tab and create a new material. Change the base color or adjust settings like metallic and roughness. Then switch to Material Preview mode to see how your model looks with the new material. Once you're finished, open the File menu and choose Save As. Select a folder, give your project a name, and save it as a blend file. It's also a good habit to press Ctrl plus S regularly while you're working. And that's the basic workflow for using Blender on Windows. Once you're comfortable with these tools, you'll be ready to explore modeling, animation, rendering, and much more. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.